This is how I load my truck. Basically, I start with my first bag, second bag, third bag, fourth bag, and on down the line. And then I'll start lining them up down here. And then with my overflow boxes, basically I do the same thing. Like start with my first ones and just line them up. And then if I need to, I'll pull this down and start loading up on that too. I prefer not to use this though because it makes it feel real cramped back here. So, yeah. Well, we had some pissed off drivers today. Fucking serious, dude. Everywhere, dude. I didn't know that. Oh shit, time to drive. Maybe the rain will help wash off some of this fermentation smell. We'll see. Put my damn mask on. I'm gonna load my van, dude. I'll see y'all in a minute. Chorizo and egg breakfast burrito is cold, but shit, it's still banging. Put a little Cholula. We gonna get it. I'm in a white van today. Fuck yeah. Show you a rainy day on a rural route. Rural. We're gonna do our best not to get stuck in the mud somewhere. Put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. Oh shit, I almost didn't swipe to finish before I left. 44-minute drive to my first stop. Woo!
In 500 feet, turn right onto South
36th
East Avenue.
Hell yeah!
Turn right onto South 100.
Alright. Yo, first off, if y'all ain't heard of this band, Year of October, look into them. Check them out. They're dope. Oop. Hello. How we doing? Set that right there for you. Have a good one. We had several pissed off drivers this morning. So they come out and said this morning that turns out the $1.50 raise that they said was for everyone across the board. Turns out now the DSP basically let everyone know that it's not a $1.50 raise for everyone. It's just that Amazon has increased their minimum wage to $16.50. So basically, it's just a push to get everyone to $16.50. So the guys that are already making that much, that have been here a long time, they're shit out of luck. Me personally, I was hired in at $15 an hour, so I'm getting the full $1.50. So that's cool for me. But like, shouldn't the people that have been here a while, shouldn't they get like a little boost too? Shouldn't they get like a little appreciation? Dude, I'm also grateful that so far I'm not in the country. I thought, just looking at the map, I thought that I was definitely heading out to the country and gonna be out in the country all day long. New tote already. Because it did look like... Bruh. I don't know. I'm just fucking winging it here, man. Did y'all just hear a fucking wolf? What's going on around here, dude? So these Amazon videos seem to do pretty good. I appreciate all you guys watching. Everyone who has subscribed and commented and showed love. Really appreciate that. What part of the world are you guys from, you know? Drop a comment, tell me, you know, like where you're from. Do you work for Amazon? Do you not work for Amazon? What are you into? Like I'm into, right now I'm super big into vinyl records. Way too much money, you know? Maybe I'll make a vinyl collection video here soon, showing you guys what I have so far. Y'all remember how I was talking about how grateful I was to not be in the country? Yeah. Some people just thrive off of drama, and if things seem like they're going too good for you, they're like, oh, hold up, let me introduce some drama. Ain't no driveway there, dude. That's a damn mud hole. The notes on this do say our driveway is currently a mud hole. Leave package behind the gate. Behind the gate. I'll leave it behind the gate. That basket does say Amazon. The notes say to leave it behind the gate. Must follow instructions. Isn't it just beautiful? My next stop is fucking 24 minutes away. That's sick, dude. But damn! 14 stops left, let's get it. Table on the back porch. Yo, what up, chickens? Big chillin'. Hi, babies. It's alright, it's alright. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, it's okay. I low-key want to like test it and go try to pet that dog, but I don't want to lose a finger today. I got shit to do after work.
Head southeast, then in 150 feet make a hard right turn onto Howard Road.
Did y'all see that truck just fucking sliding all over the place? Get over here. Delivered my last package. It's 5:46 p.m. Got a 40-minute drive back to the station. Anyways, thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see that record collection video.